I'd like to tell you about 7th grade health. My name is Mrs. Oldakowski, and I'd like to just tell you a little bit about the course and what we'll be talking about next year. So health class will run for half of the year, and just some of the topics that we do cover are drugs, smoking and alcohol, social skills, and the impact of social media. And there's a lot more topics that we will cover. I also just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself. There's a picture of me sitting on a star. And so for the last 8 years, I've worked at Ware High School as a special education teacher. And then just this past March, I switched over to be the 7th and 8th grade health teacher. So I'm happy to be here and I'm excited to meet you. So I don't know if you've ever played Two Truths and a Lie, but two of these things that I'm going to tell you are true and one is not true. And so you should guess which one it is. So I got married at Disney World. I can do an excellent handstand, and I recently became a certified holistic health coach. So 2 of those are true and 1 is not. So, which one do you think is the lie? If you picked, I can do an excellent handstand, you are correct. I cannot do an excellent handstand, and I'm going to prove it to you. So this is me. I'm lucky I didn't kick a hole in the wall. So I look forward to meeting you next year, and hopefully by then I'll be doing some better handstands. Thanks for watching.